Hi, my name is Rhea, and today I'm gonna be reviewing scooter pegs. So these ones are from Decathlon. Got them for $15. Not too bad for pegs. Now, as much as they look good, but I don't really.
Well, why did you get them?
Well, I got them because I thought these would have been better for dropping in, you know. So doing a drop in, but it just gets in the way too much.
You want to show them how it gets in the way?
So if I depends on how you're scooting. If you go like that, you'll see. But you just
Your ankle gets caught.
Yeah. So
Show them.
So whenever you're scooting, your ankle just gets caught.
Yeah.
And if you were to keep these for a month and keep on hitting your ankle, it's probably gonna scrape off all your skin off your ankle.
So would you recommend them?
I don't recommend them. At least I don't. I'm not. This is just my opinion on them. It depends on what you like to do. If you like dropping in a lot, or going into pools and that kind of stuff, then sure, get them. But if you are,
You've got to be careful with them. Oh, you were talking about when you were turning as well.
Oh yeah. So this happened today. So I was just scooting, having some fun. There was this kid coming my direction, so I decided to move towards a wall, not fully next to the wall, but then my peg just got hit the wall and then fell down and hurt myself.
Oh, so they do get in the way because you can't angle as much without hitting. Yeah.
Are you aiming at Papa?
Yeah. Cool. So not a good idea.
So yeah. But this is just my.
You could get the
opinion.
thinner ones.
Well,
You'd still hit your ankle, but they wouldn't. Yeah, but with
they
the
wouldn't
turning.
hurt as much.
Yeah, with the turning it'd be okay.
Yeah, it would be better to have thinner ones, but I'm probably never gonna get pegs again.
So we're gonna take them off.
Yeah, we're taking them off. We got this today on top of that.
Yeah, this morning.
Yeah, we spent the whole morning trying to get pegs, and then, oh no, we couldn't get them anymore.
All right.
So yeah, if you like pegs, I'm not saying take them off, but this is just my opinion.
They come with problems.
Yeah.
They might fix one problem, but they create another problem.
Yeah, more than one.
All right. You want to say goodbye?
Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next video if there is one.
It should be.
Yeah, hopefully.